So I think step one is let's play the company comment hack game because it works, right? Beat this out.
Oh yeah, whoa, look, they can never keep me down, I'm going, and if I ever fail, just know I'll go again, I never quit.
They've been doing it for 3 years, okay? There's a reason why their LinkedIn growth has been so drastic. So what happens is they post something and then everybody fucking comments. It's stupid and the comments are stupid. Well, they'll have like 12 employees comment on every single post. There's one person there that goes through and manages the profiles and goes in and comments. And they're like, this is awesome. Glad to see that we're still doing this. And like really stupid comments, but it works. Interesting thing, I forgot to tell you guys this like forever ago. The owner of that, I forgot his name now. The owner was on a podcast interview with, I think it was Making Chips, which Making Chips is like the most popular machining podcast out there. It's run by Jim Carr, who owns a machine shop, and they were like on center stage at IMTS 4 years ago. So like they got pretty fucking popular, and they had him on and they're like, so what are you doing? He said, I play the algorithm too. I know that if I do this, it's going to get a lot of views and a lot of impressions. It's not necessarily the right audience specifically, but I know that it's going to get out there. And I'm just thinking that by default, my audience will come across it. And when I heard that, I'm like, yeah, that is true. Like they'll connect with whoever the fuck wants to connect with them. Whereas we're more specific. Like if you're not in industrial, I'm not connecting with you. But on the flip side of it, it doesn't drastically increase their revenue for their situation. So, but they play that game. And I think that LinkedIn, like they've been playing that game for 2.5 years. I'm sure it's slowed down their growth because it's usually just employees. I think we play that first and say, just have a couple, like it doesn't have to be 12 like them. So I said, if you were to guess at what it would be, and let's say that they used a point system, a like is 1, a comment is 2, a share is 3, if we just said like that. And so point being, sharing is like, I value this information, I want to share it with my network, it's personal. LinkedIn's going to be like, this is some good shit. But if all you're ever doing is sharing, LinkedIn's going to be like, I see what you're doing. So sort based on primary industry, just so we can populate it. So as you scroll in here, like, this is getting fucked with. And so what I'm going to do is take the primary industry field, create some drop downs. I want to then map primary industry into industry to copy it over and set that as like, there's basically 20 industries and then the 21st one, I don't know if it's going to literally be 20.
Different industries and having like different landing pages.
Right.
Right.
Mm-hmm. It would come from the specific salesperson only.
But if they don't close, them, then we don't want to just like leave them hanging, right? So then they should go into
oh, right, yeah, the nurture guy.
Yes.
Yeah. There it does. Sorry. Where Alex go? How do you know this? What does that mean?
1 article a month.
What is 1x-s?
That's not dash, that's a dash arrow.
Dude, sometimes your writing is...
Oh, it's terrible. On Post-it notes, I can't write on
Wait, what is that?
It's like doctor.
It's an arrow. It's supposed to be like an arrow.
Why is it squiggly?
Because I'm writing it as she's talking to me.
Okay.
We want this done, so I'm like trying to write with it, and then I'm like, okay, I'll come up with prices later.
So they get 27 to 32 videos at one shoot.
Yeah.
So can you push or do you feel like coming in or she's going to be like, good, because you got...
Well, I pushed these up, so... Because she's like, well, we need to stay within our budget, so can we take, like, maybe us posting 3, you guys posting 3 times a week instead of 5? So I'm just going to push it to her and be like, look, I'm going to keep it at this price. We can do everything that we were already doing. When I say everything, we're going to continue on doing the 5-time weekly posts for you guys, and we can do a full video shoot. We just want to be partners with you.
Because what's going to happen is 27 to 32 videos, but I'm going to be like, if you can squeeze out 10 more with existing content or something, just to like give them.
Yeah,
So I would hit her with that.